Welcome to Holy Faith Junior College of Commerce, Hinganghat. Exercise 2.4. In the previous lecture, we had discussed exercise 2.4 of question number 1 and question number 3. In this lecture, we will discuss question number 5 of exercise 2.4. Okay. What is question number 5? If capital A is equal to matrix 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1. What is the order of that matrix? It contains 3 rows and it contains 2 columns. Its order is 3 by 2. Capital B is equal to 2, 1, 4 minus 1, minus 3, 3. What is the order of that matrix? It contains 3 rows and 2 columns. Its order is 3 by 2. And capital C is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 3. How many rows are there? It contains 3 rows and 2 columns. What is its order? Its order is 3 by 2. Then we have to show that the 2 parts. Which part? A plus B whole power t, transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. And second part, transpose of A minus C is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of C. We have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. To prove LHS is equal to RHS, first of all, we have to find out the value of LHS. After that, we have to find out the value of RHS. If both the values are same, if its RHS is same, then we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. If its RHS, if both the values are different, then we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS. For finding the value of LHS, that is A plus B power t, transpose of A plus B. For finding the value of transpose of A plus B, we have to first find out the value of A plus B. And after that, we have to take the transpose of that matrix. Okay. What is given here? Since given that capital A matrix, what is the value of capital A matrix? 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1, minus 6, 1. And what is the value of B matrix? B is equal to 2, 1, 4 minus 1 and minus 3, 3. Minus 3, 3. And value of C matrix, C is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 3. This is the value of C matrix. Now we have to find out the LHS. What is the value of LHS? A plus B power t means transpose of A plus B. For find out the value of transpose of A plus B, we have to first find out the value of A plus B. Therefore A plus B is equal to A matrix 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1 plus B matrix 2, 1, 4 minus 1, minus 3, 3. Therefore, which is equal to addition of A plus B matrix. We have to add first element by first element, second element by second element, like that. 2 plus 2, minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1. After that, 5 plus 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus 6 plus into minus, minus 3, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. After that 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, it becomes 9, 9. After that minus 4, minus 4 minus 1, it becomes minus 5. Next value minus 6 minus 3, minus 6 minus 3, minus 6 minus 3, minus 9, and 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, it becomes 4. This is the value of a plus b. Therefore a plus b is equal to, but we have to find out the value of transpose of a plus b. For finding the transpose, we have to convert first row into the first column, second row into the second column, and third row into the third column. Therefore a plus b power t is equal to first row 4 minus 2, we have to write down in the first column. Second row 9 minus 5, we have to write down in the second column, and third row minus 9 4, we have to write down in the third column. This is the value of a plus b power t, that is transpose of a plus b. Now we have to find out the value of RHS. For finding the value of RHS, first we have to find out the value of transpose of A, and after that we have to find out the value of transpose of B. You have given A matrix, from that A matrix we have to find out the value of transpose of A. Since capital A is equal to 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, minus 6 1, minus 6 1. Therefore transpose of A is equal to, we have to convert first row into the first column, 2 minus 3, second row into the second column, and third row into the third column. This is the value of transpose of A. After that we have to find out the next value, that is transpose of B. Transpose of B we have to find out from matrix capital B. Since capital B is equal to, also capital B is equal to 2 1, 4 minus 1, minus 3 3, minus 3 3. Therefore transpose of B is equal to, we have to convert first row into the first column, 2 1, second row into the second column, 4 minus 1, and third row minus 3 3 into the third column. Now we have to find out the value of transpose of A plus transpose of B. We have the value of transpose of A, we have the value of transpose of B. We have to give the value of transpose of A to the equation number 2, and we have to give the transpose of B in the equation number 3. Now we have to add the equation 2 and 3. On adding equation 2 and 3. Therefore transpose of A plus transpose of B is equal to, what is the value of transpose of A? 2 5 minus 6, 2 5 minus 6, minus 3 minus 4 1, minus 3 minus 4 1, plus transpose of B 2 4 minus 3, 2 4 minus 3, 2 4 minus 3, 1 minus 1 3, 1 minus 1 3, 1 minus 1 3, which is equal to we have to take the addition of two matrix. Addition of two matrix is possible only when their corresponding elements are same and their orders are same. What is the order of that matrix? It contains 2 row and 3 column. Its order is 2 by 3. And what is the order of that matrix? Its order is also 2 by 3. Therefore matrix addition is possible. First element, by first element, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, minus 6 minus 3, minus 6 plus into minus, minus 3, minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 4 plus into minus, minus 1, minus 4 minus 1, and 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, it becomes 4, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, it becomes 9, it becomes 9, minus 6 minus 3, it becomes minus 9, minus 3 plus 1, it becomes minus 2, minus 4 minus 1, it becomes minus 5, and 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, it becomes 4, it becomes 4. Are you getting the point? Therefore transpose of A plus transpose of B, this is the value of transpose of A plus transpose of B. Equation number, next, equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now what you have to prove? You have to prove transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. We have to match the RHS of transpose of A plus B. What is the RHS of transpose of A plus B? 4 9 minus 9, 4 9 minus 9. And what is the RHS of transpose of A plus transpose of B? 4 9 minus 9. Second row, minus 2 minus 5 4, minus 2 minus 5 4. RHS of both the equations are same, and if RHS of both the equations are same, then we can equate the LHS. From equation 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Therefore RHS of both the equations are same, therefore we can equate the LHS. What is the LHS of that equation? A plus B whole power t is equal to A power t plus B power t. Make the box to the final answer. Transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B, which proves first part. Therefore which proves first part. In the first part we have to prove that transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Now we have to prove the second part. What is the second part? Transpose of A minus C is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of C. After that we have to write down here. We have to erase that part. Okay? Therefore we have to erase that part and we have to write down here. Okay? Now come to the second part. Give the heading second part. Therefore what is the LHS? Transpose of A minus C. For find out the value of transpose of A minus C, first of all we have to find out the value of matrix A minus C. Therefore we have given A matrix and we have given C matrix. Therefore, A minus C is equal to A matrix 2 minus 3, 5u minus 4, minus 6, 1, minus 6, 1, minus C matrix 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3. Now we have to do the subtraction of two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices is possible only when their orders are same and the corresponding elements are equal. What is the order of that matrix? It contains 3 rows and 2 columns. Its order is 3 by 2. Its order is also 3 by 2. It means that matrix subtraction is possible, which is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 5u minus into minus, plus 1, 5u plus 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 6 plus 2, 1, minus 3, 1 minus 3, which is equal to 2 minus 1, it becomes 1, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5u, 5u plus 1, 6, minus 4, minus 8, 2 minus 6, minus 4, 2 minus 6, it becomes minus 4, 1 minus 3, it becomes minus 2. This is the value of A minus C matrix. But we have to find out the transpose of A minus C. For that, we have to find out the value of its transpose. Therefore, transpose of A minus C. Now, transpose of A minus C is equal to, we have to convert each row by each column. 1 minus 5u, we have to write down in column 1 minus 5u, write down in column 1 minus 5u. After that, 6 minus 8, we have to write down in column 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8, minus 4 minus 2, we have to write down in third column minus 4 minus 2. This is the value of transpose of A minus C. We have to give its equation is equation number 5. Now we have to find out the value of A transpose. Already A transpose we have to find out here, and value of C transpose. We have given the C matrix. Since C is equal to, what is the value of C matrix? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, 3. Therefore, C transpose is equal to, we have to convert row by column. 1, 2, we have to write down in the column, first column 1, 2, second column minus 1, 4, third column minus 2, 3. This is the value of C transpose. And in the first part already we had find the value of A transpose, that is 2, 5u minus 6 and minus 3 minus 4, 1. Therefore subtraction of A transpose minus C transpose is equal to value of A transpose 2, 5u minus 6, minus 3 minus 4, 1, minus 3 minus 4, 1, plus C transpose minus, we have to find out the subtraction, not addition, okay, minus C transpose. What is the value of C transpose? 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. This is the value of A transpose 2, 5u minus 6, minus 3 minus 4, 1, and this is the value of C transpose. Now we have to do the subtraction of two matrices. Subtraction of two matrices is possible only when their orders are same and corresponding elements are equal. What is the order of that matrix? It contains 2 row and 3 column, 2 by 3. Its order is also 2 by 3. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. 2 minus 1, 5u minus into minus, plus 1, 5u plus 1, minus 6, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. This minus 4 and this minus 4. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. What is its value? 2 minus 1, it becomes plus 1. 5u plus 1, it becomes 6. Minus 6 minus 2, it becomes minus 8. Minus 3 minus 2, it becomes minus 5u. Minus 4 minus 4, it becomes minus 8. 1 minus 3, it becomes minus 2. What is the value of that matrix? 1, 6, minus 8, minus 5u, minus 8, minus 2. This is the value of transpose of A minus transpose of C. Equation number. We have to give the equation number next, that is 6. Now we have to compare. Which value we have to compare here? Transpose of A minus C and transpose of A minus transpose of C. See the RHS of transpose of A minus C. What is the RHS of transpose of A minus C? 1, 6, minus 4. And here 1, 6, 1, 6, minus 8. Here what is the mistake? 2, 5u minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1. And transpose of C, 1, minus 1, minus 2. And 2, 4, 3. C matrix 1, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 3. And after that A matrix 2 minus 3, first column 2 minus 3. See here 2 minus 3, second column 5u minus 4, and third column minus 6, 1. This subtraction minus transpose of C, 1 minus 1 minus 2 here. Okay, what is the mistake? Minus 2 here. It contains minus 2. See here it contains minus 2, and here we have to write down only plus 2. Okay, here minus 2 is there. This contains minus 2. Minus 6, minus into minus, it becomes plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, it becomes minus 4. Now match the values. 1, 6, minus 4, 1, 6, minus 4, minus 5u, minus 8, minus 2, minus 5u, minus 8, minus 2. RHS of both the equations are same, and if RHS of both the equations are same, then we can equate the LHS. What is the LHS of that equation? From equation 5u and 6. From equation 5u and 6, therefore what is the LHS? A minus C. A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. This value we have to prove. Okay, therefore A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose, which proves second part, and at the last we have to write down hence proved. Okay, here this example is completed. This is the previous part, this is the previous portion. This portion we do not have to write down. Okay, this is the previous portion, we have to erase that part. Here the problems will be end. Okay, the second, which proves the second part, and hence proved. Now in the next lecture we will discuss the exercise 2.4 of the remaining questions. Remaining toughest question we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay.